going for that bird nest style, you know? So yeah. Anyways, welcome back to May Janae Beauty, inspiring inner and outer beauty. So this video is going to be a hangout video. This is just to vibe with you guys. I had this topic on my mind because I was listening to a song and I just thought, man, music has really got me through life. Literally, okay? Music, I have been listening to music since the beginning of time, and I'm the type of person that truly enjoys it. I listen to it in the shower, I listen to it on the way to work, I listen to it, you know, when I'm feeling some type of way, you know what I mean? So, I grew up listening to all kinds of music. I am not one of those people that just sticks with one genre. Like, I listen to everything, and I listen to things that get me through the day or that make me feel happier. And I grew up listening to old school music, like those oldie but goodies. I listen to classic rock. I really consider myself an old soul because that was such a big part of my life. And growing up, I don't know, I feel like oldies and like classic music has really made me a softie growing up, and I feel like it's just a big part of me, you know? When I was a child, I used to listen a lot to Spanish music. You know, my parents are Mexican and Cuban, so, you know, I grew up listening to cumbias, rancheras, salsa, merengue. Like, that was such a big part of my life. And it's crazy how music correlates with emotions. It's crazy how you can correlate a song to a memory. And every time I listen to like salsa music or merengue, I always think about my grandparents from my father's side, always. Even certain like singers, I correlate that to certain memories of my life. There are certain songs that make me think about my childhood and certain phases in my life. It's so crazy. And till this day, sometimes an old song will pop up and I'm just like, oh my God, I remember in 2008, I was doing this and I was doing that, and I had a crush on that person, and you know what I mean? I remember all those things through music. It's so insane. So music really did change my life. It has helped me grow as a person. It made me get through those hard times. You know, it's funny, when you're a teenager, you think, you know, at least for me, you think that the world is just stupid. In other words, you think, you know, everything is going wrong to you and everything is so dramatic, and I really thought my life was so dramatic in high school. It's insane. But I found myself at that point in time listening to a lot of rock music, listening to, you know, a lot of emo type music. It was so weird, okay? But yeah, like I listened to a lot of that stuff, like Taking Back Sunday, like hello, how emo is that, you know? It's so funny. And then even in high school, I would listen to a lot of rockabilly music and oldies, and even psychobilly. That's a thing, you guys. Psychobilly is a thing. Google it. It's weird, okay? It's weird coming from me, okay? But I used to like a lot of that music too, and I feel like that correlated a lot with the oldies music that I would listen to when I was a kid, and I really loved it. And then going into my 20s, I was so big on it because I loved listening, I still loved listening to those oldies and jiver songs, and I loved dancing to it. And it was such a big part of my life. It's so crazy. But anyways, what I'm trying to say is that music has really changed my life in a sense of it really helped me get through the hard times and the good times growing up. And I really appreciate it. I don't think I would survive if I did not have music, you guys. I still listen to music all the time. And it's funny how some people get older and they don't appreciate it as much. You know, I find myself getting older and I still appreciate a good song. I just love it, you know? I just really appreciate a good song. Music is like poetry, and I think that's another reason why I love music so much, is because growing up, I used to write a lot of poetry. I used to write a lot, and I still do. I write my thoughts down, and I feel like music is a way to, you know, self-express yourself. You know, it's a way, I feel like music is a way to express yourself, and I really appreciate that. I really feel what the artist is exposing to the world. I really feel it. When I go to a concert or a live show, I really feel those emotions of what they are singing. It doesn't matter what genre it is. Like, I really vibe with music. And it's kind of like, you know, if you're not into music, it's kind of like the feeling of when you meet somebody for the first time, you can feel their vibe and you can feel how they are towards you. And with music, I feel like it speaks to me. Like, I really feel like it speaks to me. So I just wanted to share this because I'm so interested to know what you guys listen to, and it's just so, I feel like it's a great way to connect with you all. I feel like it's a story. It's, you know, it's like a story behind your life and your journey, you know? I feel like music tells a lot about a person, and what you listen to, that's kind of like what you are, who you are. Even though I listen to many genres, I feel like I have many different personalities in one. And that's funny to say that, you know, but it's true. And now when it comes to music, I find myself really learning about different cultures. Like, I listen to music from different cultures. Even if I don't understand it, I'll Google it and I'll try to figure out what they are trying to say or what they mean through their music. That's something that's very big, and it's a part of me now. And I listen to a lot of Hindi music, a lot of Indian background. If you guys don't know what Bollywood is, I love Bollywood, and I love like the theater that goes into Bollywood. It's like a story, but it's like a musical. I like listening and watching those kind of movies, but it has a lot to do with music, right? So I really appreciate different cultures and their music. I feel like it's so fascinating, it's so beautiful, because at the end of the day, you know, people sing about their feelings, and that's why it's so big for me, because I am all about feelings. I'm all about, you know, life and emotions and things that we go through. I'm always trying to, you know, vibe with things that I understand. And with music, I understand it through poetry, and poetry is a big part of music. So it's something that I really love. But anyways, I can ramble all about this, but I just wanted to know, you know, what kind of music do you guys listen to? And do you guys agree with me? I mean, people might have a different perspective on music. You know, I know some people that actually do not really like music, you know, it doesn't interest them at all, you know? So, I mean, I don't know, like, how do you guys feel about music? How, you know, how does it make you feel? Was it a big part of your life, like it was for me? You know, what does it mean to you? Anyways, I really love the passion that people put into their music, and it doesn't have to be just lyrics. You know, I really appreciate all the instruments and the sounds, you know what I mean? Like the sound of the flute, the sound of the guitar, the piano. I feel like that's all so beautiful, and it's like happiness to my ears. It's happiness to my ears, honestly. And I appreciate all that so much. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my rampage of music and my appreciation towards it. And if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!